This is number blocks, math link cubes, and this is Kidology wooden number blocks puzzle. Let's make number blocks 1 to 10. Let's make number blocks 1 to 10. Let's make number 10. Let's make number 10. This is number 10. This is number 10. Let's make number blocks 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is number blocks 10. This is number blocks 10. Let's make number blocks 9. At first, let's make number 9. Let's make number 9. This is number 9. This is number 9. Let's make number blocks 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is number blocks 9. This is number blocks 9. Let's make number 8. Let's make number 8. This is number 8. This is number 8. Let's make number blocks 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number blocks 8. This is number blocks 8. Let's make number 7. Let's make number 7. This is number 7. This is number 7. Let's make number block 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number block 7. This is number block 7. Let's make number block 6. Let's make number block 6. This is number 6. This is number 6. Let's make number block 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number block 6. This is number block 6. Let's make number 5. Let's make number 5. This is number 5. This is number 5. Let's make number blocks 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Numberblocks 5. This is Numberblocks 5. Let's make the number 4. Let's make number 4. This is number 4. This is number 4. Let's make Numberblocks 4. 2, 3, 4. This is Numberblocks 4. This is Numberblocks 4. Let's make number 3. Let's make number 3. This is number 3. This is number 3. Let's make Numberblocks 3. 2, 3. This is Numberblocks 3. This is Numberblocks 3. Let's make number 2. This is number 2. This is number 2. Let's make Numberblocks 2. 1, 2. This is Numberblocks 2. This is Numberblocks 2. Let's make number 1. This is number 1. This is number 1, and here the Numberblocks 1. Here the Numberblock 1. Numberblock 1, Numberblocks 2, Numberblocks 3, Numberblocks 4, Numberblocks 5, Numberblocks 6, Numberblocks 7, Numberblocks 8, Numberblocks 9, and last the Numberblocks 10. This is Numberblocks 10. This is Numberblocks 9. This is Numberblocks 8. This is Numberblocks 7. This is Numberblock 6. This is Numberblocks 5. And here the Numberblocks 4. Numberblocks 3, Numberblocks 2, and last the Numberblocks 1.